கலச தீர்த்தத்தை வீட்டை சுற்றித் தெளிப்பதால் உங்கள் குடும்ப ஊழ்வினை நீங்கும். குடும்பத்தோடும் குழந்தைகளோடும் கலச விளக்கு பூசைகளில் கலந்து கொள். அதனால் ஏற்படும் பயன்களை தக்க காலத்தில் உணர்ந்து கொள்வாய்.
Sprinkling the holy water from the kalasam around the house eliminates the effects of bad karma of the entire family. Participate in the Kalasa Vilaka worship as a family along with children. You will realize its benefits in due course. Om Shakti.
Om Sakti. Guruvadi Saranam, Thiruvadi Saranam. Amma's unconditional love. Amma is the supreme divine in human form. It is Amma's simplicity, tolerance, love, and compassion that draws people from all over the world towards Amma. A young man and his father, who were sitting in a garden, saw a bird on the branch of a tree. Pointing at the bird, the father asked his son, "What is that?" The son replied, "A bird." When the father repeated the question to his son became impatient and angry. He screamed at his father for this repeated question. The father quickly stepped into the house and returned with an old diary. He asked his son to read out the journal. The young man found the following lines written by his father. "Today my son turns 3. We were sitting in the garden. A bird came close and sat on a branch of the tree. My son asked nearly 21 times, 'What is that, Dad?' And I told him it is a bird every time. I was hugging my son all the time he was speaking, asking the same question. I did not lose my temper. It only made me love my innocent child even more. This is what Amma does to her children every day, like the father in the story. We fly into a rage at the slightest provocation, but Amma patiently listens to thousands of our woes day in and day out, with the same smile and with abundant love in her eyes. Amma never gets annoyed or irritated when we ask for the same things, but acknowledges us every time with love and kindness, blessing us always, the kind of love we may not find anywhere in the world. Om Shakti.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.